All right, Aaron. We got one in around the corner from the zoo. I think they call it Manatoni. I think that's the section. Anyway, there's this tree right here that pulled and growed up through it. Looks like a mulberry or a crab apple, something like that. I'm gonna have to take a video of it so you can see. It's not terribly big. It's really only 2 stories tall, but like, you know, mulberries is all over the place. We got Fios wires here. Fios wire goes across. This is the yard that we're working for, and I'll be able to give you a better angle from here. Is this tree. Alright. I think we can definitely do it. We can lower need be stuff into that yard and get it out. This yard they're working on. That house is abandoned right now. They're working on that one. So we could definitely drop it into that yard and get it out. So it's space. It's just, you know, we did it before. It's only 2 stories tall. Let me try to get back better so you can see it. Give you an idea. All right, we can get into this yard over here too. So it's literally 2 stories tall. Like the tip of them branches up here. The tip of them branches up here is right at the 2nd story roof. So it's not a monster. I figure a day for you. I would have another guy so that you don't have to wait for me to be finished chipping, because I gotta, once you get it down, I gotta drag it through the alley. So I'll make it. I would say at least a day to make it worth your while. Do I think it'll take you the whole day to get it down? I don't. But so these your wires right here. These the telephone wires right here. No wires on that side. Over on that side, on the other side of the wire, no wires over there. And the lowest we could cut it with this pole being there, you had to let me know. I guess we could cut up to the pole. Might you know, probably, you know, could cut right there. And then if we want, could cut there. Probably have to get a hacksaw and cut through that pole. So I would have me another guy with me so that he can drag it through this alleyway while me and you is learning stuff.